everyone. Today we're going to do this. Today I'm going to tell you about this Lego gear mechanism I did by myself. And let's see how the rotations do and if they have enough strength and why they go fast. So if a gear is more big and if a small gear goes very fast, the big gear will go a bit slower. Why this happens is because the big gear has more teeth than the little gear. It multiplies it all the way until it's get it does until it gets how many times. So if you see this and ask how many times will this turn if this does 1 times? If you do that question, it's up to you to the multiplying. So why we do multiplying is that this has more gears. Let's say it has 40 teeth. And this, let's say this has 24. 40. So it's like it's like this, and this is smaller than this one. So this has to do at least 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 rotations until this gets 1 rotation. So that's why if this does a lot of rotations, this does this rotation. It's the same thing as if it does fast, the big one goes a bit slower. So that's how this gear mechanism works.